Did you play the CPI rubbish pizza? You did, didn't you? My goodness. You did. No, pizza, no. Why? No. Jay, good morning. Justin, good morning. Dave, Mo, good morning. Troy, good morning. Emer, bonjour, bonjour. Droopy, what's happening with the dividend? I think it's like $1.50 or something like that. That's the dividend, right? $1.50. It's not $8 like Mets, which I think that's the problem. Rusty, good morning. Yeah, yeah. The S&P always goes like both ways, and honestly, pizza, that thing did the range thing. Like it initially broke down and went to the abyss, and then came back, broke up, and went to the moon. Good morning, Lynn. George, good morning. Yeah, annoying. Yep. They're pumping the markets again, so they always do. Anyways, yeah, CLRO. What is that thing doing? Interesting. And let's go, Paige. It's finally working. I think it's working. I'm not sure why you were having issues yesterday, but um, should be working now. Alika, good morning. Oh, you've been away? Okay, welcome back. Welcome back. Kevin, good morning. Good morning. Hey, yo, how are you, Kevin? How are you? Good to see you. This morning is a little bit slow. Like, it's a little bit slow. There's a whole bunch of names to look at, but they all seem to be go up, come down. Like IONM hasn't done too badly this morning, but still. What else? RGLS. What's that thing doing? I guess this one's still kind of testing the top of the range, which isn't terrible. Still seems a little bit slow though. Still seems a little bit slow. And then MDAI had news this morning and they popped and then gave it all away. Well, not all away, but hopefully it doesn't give it all away. But it's really not doing much, is it? 157 to, okay, I'll pull it up. Just like your little RERE. Let me pull that one up. Yeah, that thing. Yeah, I see where you're getting that 157 from. Almost like a double bottom. Not a big range though, Justin, is it? It's a very small range. When does the dividend go through? I'm not sure. There should be like an effective date, or like if you look at the SEC filing, there should be a date on there that says the date you have to be holding by. Interesting. Yeah, I was just looking to see if I could find it. I would have to pull up the SEC filing. I'm not sure if it's in the initial message, the initial catalyst message. Yeah. Why are you holding it? Um, Good morning, Crystal. To fund futures, you should, Peter. You should. I approve that message. I approve that message. Yes. Except, except if you blow it, I'm gonna fight you. So, anyways, what's a CL? Oh, CLRO is popping there. That might be the name to watch into the open, isn't it? Might be the name to watch into the open. Delete. Small position, Jeff, and think it can go to $1.60. Okay, let me take a look. Let's take a look ski. I have a $75 dividend pending. Well, if it's pending, then you basically have it. There you go. So X date is the 8th. Okay, so that's past then. Record date The 11th, payment on the 12th. Okay, there you go. That kind of aligns with what you're saying, you Droopy. You have a dividend pending, so it looks like they're trying to pay you. So then it's between you and your broker. Your broker might need a few days to say, "Oh, here you go," but I don't know. DHAI. So you're in at 82 cents, and you're wondering if it's going to $1.60. I think it was $1.30 this morning. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Let me just look at the daily here quickly. That's actually not too bad, Jeff. You have a really good entry. Congratulations. Well done. Long hold so far. Congratulations. You've been green the whole time. So good job. I think that the level you should be paying attention to here today, Jeff, is breaking above 124. If you break above 124, and then sure, you can look for like 140, and then 160 is all the way up there, right? You have a whole bunch of other levels to pay attention to first. So for now, you have to break above. So each day when you wake up, right, you have to pay attention to the resistance from the previous day, so the high from the previous day, right? And it's broken above that level every single day, which is good, right? So today you have to pay attention to 124. If you break 124, then you're looking for 140, and then go from there. I mean, good job, Jeff. Yeah, Jeff is green. Jeff is green. Well, he's been green on this thing for a little bit now. And just smiling and waiting, Smiling and waiting. It's like when Lambo. He's waiting for the squeeze. Yeah, there you go. Perfect. Yeah, Justin answered your question as well. So 140 would be the first target. Yeah, like you have other levels to pay attention to first before getting to 160. You know? True, true, true. So don't just leave the gains there and be like, you know what, I'm gonna wait for 160, and then yeah. Bernard, good morning. Ayo, 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 ayo. Happy Tuesday, guys. Happy Tuesday. Choo, 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 choo. You're still looking at Justin. You're still looking at IXHL. Yeah, yeah, nice consolidation at the bottom, and like you said, that doji. Yeah, it's consolidation at the bottoms. VTAK since let's see. Interesting levels. Cool. Interesting levels. For a swing at the moment, okay. Keep it over 4. Okay, sounds good. Could you take a quick look? I'll take a look. Yeah, I would take a look ski. VTAK average 80 cents. 80 cents. Thank you. Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. Smash likes. Okay, let me take a look. VTAK. 80 cents. Okay, so you're VTAK, your average is 80 cents. When did you buy this thing? You've been holding this thing for a whole year, haven't you? This was a nice spot though. Why didn't you average down around this bottom here? You've been holding this thing for a damn long time. Who knows when? You know when you're like, who knows? I don't know how long I've been holding for. You know, it wasn't last month. It wasn't last week. Anyways, So this is most likely something you're not going to sell, but there's a lot of resistance here, like not even 70 cents, right? Below 70 cents. Let's call it below 70 cents because, yeah, a lot since, yeah. So I mean, it looks really good now. Like it's been consistently rising every single day. It's a higher low and a higher high, and it looks like it's doing the exact same thing today. So one of these days, it's gonna go boom skis. Hopefully, hopefully. But yeah, it looks good for now. You know, when someone's been diamond handling something for a whole year, you know they're not selling it for a loss, right? So hopefully, it's not a big position, and you know, don't let it go back to, maybe just don't let it go back to the abyss at 40 cents. But this would have been a good level to kind of dollar cost average, maybe, just because, right? Usually, when you're holding something for a long time and you see it just staying above that level, then you say, you know what, I'm going to add more, but then you have to set a stop loss right below. So that's like that's it, make or break, right? You add more, but it's like your make or break level, make or break level. Mm, 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 mm. Let's see. La, 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 la. I'm just quickly updating here. And what? Go pizza and thrust. And what? And thrust. It's on nice soft rocks. You know I love rocks. Don't fall, please. Let's go. Anyways, yeah, that looks interesting. IONM resistance and then backed off. And then MDAI, nice little pop off $2, but it's gonna need to get back above like 220. Seems to have a lot of resistance up there. But yeah, MDAI is gonna need to break out if it wants to go boom skis. If it wants to go boom skis, it's gonna need to break out. Alrighty. Other than that, everything else just seems to be. Ooh, look at this one. Look at this one. There's a lot of talk about these guys getting a dividend. Well, that's the reason why it ran last night. But there's a lot of speculation of like about the numbers themselves. So um, yeah, it's done well. I think the high from like from after hours though was 225. So and then it dipped and now it's bouncing again. Dipped and then bouncing again. So that's not too bad. This one was hot last night though. Hot, 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 hot. So good morning, Lori. Daniel, good morning. Bonjour, bonjour. Um, do, 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 do. Good morning. Do, 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 do. Let's see. Do, 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 do. And then choo, 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 choo. The game called Pizza. You want to play? Let's play Pizza. Let's play. Let's play. Actually, yeah, no, Noir DM me. He wanted to. He said tomorrow. So tomorrow is today. Oh, so he was like, remember that game? Yes. Yeah, I haven't played in a long time. Yeah, let's. Yep. Issues of. I think it's in fancy. Exactly, Renell. Exactly. It's a nice way to put it. Delete my number. No pizza. It's I haven't played. You haven't played. It's not like you invited me and I said no. Unbelievable. Yeah. You know, you didn't even invite me. Unbelievable. Jasmine, yeah, Jasmine's done well. Come on, get above $2. Get above $2. Ayotesh, Aubin, hello, hello. Long time. Yeah, I still remember your name though, which is a good name. A good name to have. A good name to have. Good morning, Tesh. Are you ready for violence? Anybody play CPI numbers this morning? The reason why we tend to ignore these things now is because, I mean, every single time we have this data, there's usually like an opposite reaction and then a proper reaction. You know what I mean? So, yep. Which is a bit fishy. A little bit fishy. Oteo Rick, Virgo, good morning. Jasmine news. Jasmine has news. Sorry, I'm just have to update one of these scanners here. What's your position in MDAI? MDAI looks okay. It's gonna need to break above like the like $2.20. Yeah. What's your position? Let me know. Come on, Tesh. Come on. On driver's license. Rubbish. Peter, when's your first meeting? When's your first meeting today? Since you woke up wanting violence. When's your first meeting? Explain yourself. I know. I know it's coming. What did I do to you? What have I done? Nothing. All you had to do was send me an invite, you know? That's it. All you had to do was like, hey, this is an invite to play Call of Duty. Nope. Never sends me anything. Nope. Any stock suggestions? There's a whole bunch of crazy stuff. There's a whole bunch of volatile stuff. So for now, we just wait for the market to open honestly and see what we can find and levels to play with. That thing went to the abyss, Justin. RERE. Straight to the abyss is where it went to. Good morning, Lincoln. Good morning. Good morning. To break $2, are you in, Pyros? Give me the spill the tea. Are you inside the building? Let me know if you are. A rough entry 185. Okay, I'll take a look. I would take a look ski. Yeah, the resistance. Yeah, open to have something. Deal to sell truth in talks with Elon over deal to sell truth social. Really? Oh wow. So what happens to DWAC then? Hmm, that seems very fishy. Maybe some DWAC puts then. Annette, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. To become it gets whacked. It becomes X whack. I mean, you're not wrong. Maybe some puts then, I guess. Maybe some puts then, I guess. Hmm. Oh well. Wait, are you kidding? Okay. Interesting. Anyways, yeah, let me look at some of these other names here. So you got in at $1.85. Good morning, Robbie. Something tells me I should have continued to sleep it off. Huh. Yeah. Just so yeah. Hmm. Trump has a huge position in DWAC too, though, so he must be getting a lot more money. Is D4? Good morning. Okay, so 185 is your entry. Yeah, your entry is a little bit high, isn't it? For now, I'd be watching this previous break. Like if we can stay above 170, you might just be okay here. 170 to 165. If we can stay above that, you should be fine. Yeah, your entry was a little bit high. Yeah. Did I miss anything else? No position yet. You're looking for an entry into MDAI. Okay. Well, maybe for now we wait and see what happens at the open here because we have what 6 minutes left. Yeah, that thing really needs to get above like $2.20. If we can get higher lows, that would be good. So the closer you are to $2, I think the safer you are if you're looking for an entry into MDAI. He will never take another company public. Yeah. Yep. At the open, yeah. I think that's a good plan, Lori. And Riots, Luna, and Sofa. You're holding all those names, Banks. That's a lot of names. D. Good morning. Hi, KV. Good morning. Good morning. It's a lot of names. A lot of names. This one is selling off here. Yeah, looks like we're kind of staying above that 50 EMA, so hopefully we stay above. And then RGLS was another one in pre-market that did really well. Lots of resistance to at 270, but it's done well. It's done really well, so we're gonna leave that one up as well. Choo, 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 choo. BTC is still just doing its thing. We still haven't gone above 73,000, but again, don't think anybody's worried about that. It's still holding nicely above 70. Sweet. I bet you if I look at the 4 hour or the 2 hour, which is better now, just because we haven't had a whole bunch of 4 hour candles, it's doing the exact same rubbish. That same thing that it just does: up, down, and then sideways, and then breakout, and then sideways. And it looks like it's crashing, but it's really just sitting in a range. So BTC is still just doing that. So, which is nice. Good morning, Alan. Ayo, ayo. So that one's still going sideways. This one's dipping a little bit. Bit of a bounce there. Interesting. Very interesting. And then a bit of a bounce there in this one. Here comes another retest of 170. Good morning, Dan. Good morning, good morning. Good morning. Okay. What the hell is that? I just want to pull up the S&P really quickly here too. Spies on drugs again. On drugs again. That thing went all the way to 515. What the hell is it doing up there? Who knows? Who knows? But yep, the spies green again. Green again. November. And got some Tesla calls. What did you bought Gen 28? Yeah, but you bought it a little bit after the after party. But no, I'm kidding. I don't know what I'm saying, but anyways, OB, ayo. Good morning. With Hunter Biden, it really is. It really is, Josh. It really is. And some crazy drugs. Is that actually a bid or an ask? 2 minutes. 2 minutes to the open. Dan? Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Okay. Again, don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you haven't already, please, and thank you. As we go into the open, hit that subscribe if you're new, and if you're not a member yet, come join us. Alrighty. Question for you guys in the chat: what's your favorite name going into the open? What's your favorite stonk? Josh is gonna say BTC. What's your favorite stock going into the open? Let me know in the chat. We have about another minute. I have 1 minute. So count your chickens. Save Moon. I knew it. Someone's gonna say Mullen. For that SGI. Krista's gonna say anyways. Uni. Off 225 RGLS, okay. RGLS 225. Yeah, it's done a good job bouncing off that 225. And breakout retest, double bottom. There's so much red at the top there, but that's 225 to 270, so that's quite the room in between. Quite the room in between. Let's see what happens. Markets open. Ding, ding, ding. Anything going crazy yet? Nothing yet. Nothing going crazy yet. Nothing going crazy yet. The MDAI is just sitting there, so it's going to need to find a way to break above that little supply zone if it wants to run. If it wants to run, CLRO, meh, dipping. So dipping below the 200. So again, just give these things time. Consolidation. The S&P looks okay though. Did you say Amazon? No, I said no, not Amazon. Why? Are you holding Amazon? There goes that crazy thing. Too bad it didn't come to 225. Too bad it didn't come to 225. It just said nope, 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 pop it. Nope, nope, nope. Nope, nope, nope. I think it's back to 270, back to the highs. And there goes 280. Crazy. Crazy, crazy RGLS. Crazy, crazy. $270. I think the pre-market high for this thing is, we broke it. We broke it on that candle to 280. So the only concerning thing here though is that that's the first candle and it's breaking out. So we'll see. Let's play COD now. No, like you have to send an invite, you know, at the proper time. All weekend long, on the nights, nothing, Peter. I don't send you. Well, actually, I sent you a COD invite one time when you were busy. There goes 280 again. The stock just seems like it wants problems today. Hey yo, Tom. Since live, hope all is well. All is well, Tom. Good to see you. It's been green the last few days, Bunny. I'll take a look in a second. I'll take a look. I will take a look. Ski. Crazy. I bet you Justin FOMO'd into this thing already. FOMO'd inside. And have fallen for the FUD despite really thought people had finally awakened. People will never awaken, you know. There goes $3, Justin. Good morning, Olu. Feels slow. It does. Even though we have this thing going crazy here. I know what you mean. I know what you mean. Don't worry, though. Something will crush it as usual. People have to make monies. I knew it. Out at 290. Congratulations. Yeah, nice little scalpy. You bought the breakout and then took profits really quickly. Good job. Well done. Yeah, CLRO is. It looks like we came all the way down to the demand zone at 160. So now we kind of need to stay above 160 here, right? Market open, sell off, and then hopefully support. Yeah, you didn't get your fill at 160. Yeah, it bounced off 161. So yeah, it's annoying when you miss it by 1 penny, isn't it? Very annoying. Very, very annoying. Let me pull up some more charts here. Is it reset? Oh, I see. Okay. Here you go. Yeah, a penny is annoying. You might get a second test, or you might get a double bottom or something like that. and then go from there. RGLS still looks like the play of the day, doesn't it? It's unfortunate that like I mean I guess we kind of dipped into the open, but yeah, stuff like this is nice when you're in it in pre-market, but it's annoying when you're not in and then it just pops at the open. There goes $3. $3. $3. Here we go. Pizza is anyways. The S&P dipping, yeah. Dip, 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 dip. Dip, 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 dip. This almost seems like like distribution for the market. They're just playing games, burning premiums, and then they're gonna crash the markets. It just feels like like we keep rallying to these crazy numbers and then selling off every single time. It's like, oh, there goes 515. Nope, we're back to 511, my real height. And then we go back to 515. And then so it's like, what are they doing? EV, yeah. Have more outlook on the sector. Tesla as an AI company. People just don't know. Yeah, I think Tesla's gonna need to announce something different. They're gonna need to drop some news that isn't EV, and then I think the stock will really start to pick up because whatever they're doing is it's not working. To Interesting. From the last ER, yeah. Yeah. I wish last ER I was holding. I was hoping they'd announce something more, substantial with like RoboCop or just something. Um, but then they never did, except for like guidance, which the market said whatever. In the woodshed, another day in the woodshed. Yep, the S&P is not looking too hot though. Not looking too hot. True. Anyways, let's go back to RGLS. It looks like we're finally getting a dip here on this one. BTC still looks fine. You can see that supply zone at the top on a smaller time frame, just below 70, 72, 400s. A little bit of supply. Uh, Nothing happening there. CLRO, that thing really bounced. That thing really, really bounced off that 160. Well, let's say 161 because Justin is going to be pissed. Anyway, so yeah, these guys again, they're pumping because of that dividend. So because of the dividend, there's a lot of resistance there before you get to $2. So just be mindful. A lot of resistance. Alrighty, lots and lots of resistance. Yeah, average is 166. You FOMOed, Kevin. Booyah. Let's go. Let's go. There goes 190, 192. And pre-market high is now at 195. 195? 195. There goes a breakout. And 198. And there goes $2. $2 CLRO. Nice pop. Very nice pop. I like it. A very nice pop. Okay. Here we go. Krista says, "Go, go, 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 go." Anyways, yeah, be careful at $2. Yeah, until we clear that supply zone. If we clear that supply zone, and then yeah. Not, yeah. Yep. Yeah, I think EV was a nice concept when it was Tesla alone, and then all these companies initially started coming in. But now it's just like overly saturated. These guys are gonna find a different way to stand out. Also, like when winter comes, you hear all these issues of like EV this, EV that, no charging, no this, no that, um, blah 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 blah. So. Um, what's the bottom of that candle? Yeah. La, la, la. Quality will win. Anyways, there goes the new high for a CLRO. CLRO. Come on, Tesh. It's pumping. It's pumping, Tesh. Anyways, greetings, Andre. I wouldn't recommend owning an EV if you don't have a charger at home. Yep, 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 yep. I know some members that own EVs. So, anyways, I think EV became a big concept though because of Biden, right? He ran on that whole green something 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 something, green this, green that, bring back something something something, green initiative or something, whatever Biden ran on, right? I don't think. So imagine if he imagine yeah, Green New Deal, yeah, that rubbish. So imagine if Biden doesn't win, what happens to all this hype he's brought to EV and tech? Yeah. Green New Deal. Yep, rubbish. Rubbish. Blah 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 blah. Green New Deal. Need a green deal? No. Again, Tesla is a lot more than all the other EV companies. Tesla is usually moving on to the like 3 steps ahead before the other companies catch up. So, um, yep. So I don't think Tesla is not a problem. I think obviously there's that short term reaction, right? Because again, people look at Tesla as an EV company. There will be that short term reaction. Um, but in the long run, the next catalyst Tesla drops, I think people are going to forget about. But anyways, la, 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 shut down the entire power grid. Yeah. La, 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 la. Yeah. Anyways, yeah. So CLRO pushed all the way to that supply zone and then backed off. So we didn't even close above $2. Obviously, that's a problem, right? So push and then drop. We did not close above. We did not close above. Okay. Perfect. I'm feeling need me to lift you up. Okay. Yes. What does that mean though? Does that mean like you're about to tell me a joke and then we're all gonna smile together? That's a proper way to lift. Tell me a joke, Peter. Or like roast Dan or Mo, roast somebody. That means you no lifting up doesn't mean shorts. By the way, plus we're not in the same place, so there can't be any type of lifting up. Anyways, as a car company, to be shocked. Imagine peels off any component of his company so that they have no exposure to the public markets. Yeah, That's true. That is true, Josh. That would be a disaster. That would be chaos. Yeah, that'd be chaos. Not when you're physically not in the same place. More rubbish. You know. Okay, let's see where this candle closes. Actually, let's see where that candle closes. Nines. 1 second. Yeah, this one. This again. This is why we want to see dips at the open, because even if we don't dip at the open, you know it's coming. You know it's coming. So maybe on the next consolidation here for CLRO, that might be good. If we come all the way back down to retest the 200, that might be perfect. Actually, you know, might be perfect. Actually. Uh, where are we at this morning, Matthew? What do you mean? There's a bag of poop waiting for you. Oh my goodness. What's the chrono at? Okay. The chrono. Edit chrono setting. Okay, good. Good job. The algo. Green New Deal. You're looking for an entry? VX. You're looking for an entry into what? Into anything? Or into what? Okay. 1 second. Okay. There we go. Yeah, that RSI setting is not working very well. So, anyways, you look RGLS. Okay. I mean, let's see if we can come all the way back down closer to $1.65. You would get a double bottom if that happened. Because again, that was your. If you look to the left, if you look left, that was your double top, and then it's bounced off that level one. So maybe retesting it again would be a good thing. So closer to $2.65 VX. I don't know if you're gonna get that though. It almost looks like a higher low now, doesn't it? But yeah, that would be a safer spot if you can, again, if we can test it and you can see that it's consolidating. Alrighty, test consolidate. And that thing doesn't look like it wants to come back and give you that retest. It's like bye. Okay, perfect. Bye. Good morning, Ren. Discord now on the altcoins. Okay. Speaking of EV, Ren has an EV, so Ren has a Tesla. So I think she mentioned it at some point on stream. At some point. Good morning, Joe. Ayo, ayo. Good morning. La 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 la. And they do whatever they can to suppress him. But enemies? Oh yeah, exactly. And that was my point the whole time, like with Tesla when it was dipping and we didn't like it. That was the whole point. Like, Elon isn't doing anything wrong. He's doing what you would want him to do, like as a fellow human. Uh, but dude has enemies for sure. Um, enemies. Tesla is way too big of a company for you to say, like it's like it to put it in the same basket as all the other EV companies. There's a reason why it's struggling as much as it is. Yeah. If you remain in a local area, a fortune to own a Tesla. Yeah, all over yeah, like driving a lot is Merca. Good morning, Tesla. Tesla. Did we? Yeah, we came. Wait, is that a no? That's just a glitch on one of the indicators. It's not actually a candle. So it does look like we're getting a higher low here for CLRO. Can we get back to $2 now though? Is that the dip? Hopefully that was the dip. Get back up there, please. Get back up there, please, and thank you. Uh, Gets back up there, please, and thank you. Uh, what's RGLS doing here? Oof, look at that thing come back down. So here's that retest. Here is a retest if it can consolidate, right? So you need to make sure that it actually consolidates. Otherwise, it just becomes huge selling pressure on that thing. So yeah, huge selling pressure on that damn thing. Ooh. Everywhere last 2 years, it's really in your face. Yeah, Teslas are everywhere. I've seen more Tesla EVs than anything else, so maybe maybe there's a reason for that. Oh, VX you are, but my friend hacked my Google account and your Facebook, and so all I made a post while I was asleep. Wait. But your friend, who was it like an online friend? Oh damn, that's annoying. And they hacked and did you have like OnlyFans pictures on? Hmm. You wait, Vance, you like the EV, like the EV one? Texas go bust him up. Wow. Immediately violence. Uh, Immediately to violence. Okay, let's go back. Yeah. Kind of finding a base. A lot of weakness on that thing there, and CLRO looks really good for sure. Looks really good. So retesting $2. Yep, it needs to break out, doesn't it? Just oh, I see, Vance. Okay, I see. So the S&P sold off all the way to five, almost just below 511, and then bounced. Yeah, today's a bit of a slow day. A bit of a slow day, which is okay. 1 second. Okay, I'm gonna do. And then Do, 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 do. Review. Okay. Yeah, Google search history. Really? People can go that far back and search your stuff and post it? Has it Facebook Messenger combos? Oh, I see, I see, I see. Myself and wife. It's yeah. Okay. Oh, that's that's annoying. Yeah, that's annoying. You're in at 53 cents. Let me take a look. 53 cents. So you're slightly red in that position for now. So it looks like it's finding a base of 44 cents. Um, so I would say just don't let it go below that bottom. Alrighty, don't let it go below that bottom, please. Looks like MDAI is trying to create a double bottom here too. It just lacks the volume. Because of oh my goodness. You're getting blackmailed. So someone stole a picture of you wearing a what? Oh my days. Oh, yeah, that's quite the wig at the top. Yeah. You don't want to. Yeah, you just don't want to go in below the bottom. Yeah, that thing is back to $2. What a beauty that thing is. Absolute beauty. Huh. Rumble and TikTok. You think so? That's interesting. Yeah, it's retesting the highs there. Supply zone at the top. So until we close above that supply zone, just be careful there, please. Until we close above it, just be a little bit careful, please and thank you. La, 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 la. Interesting. Let me take a look. There he goes. It might actually do this time, Justin. Oh, we have Thor. I don't think Thor is a new member. Welcome, 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 Thor. Welcomes. Welcomes. Here's your invite at the bottom of the chat there. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, that thing really needs to close above. Really needs to close. Auction down and follow that to be stopping to charge. Yeah, Tesla is almost like one of those cars where uh, like if you have monies, you're like, you know what? I don't drive a whole lot. I like nice things and this and that, and then you're like, okay, cool. Let me get a Tesla. You know, that's it. That's it. Search hoping to yeah. Anyways, yeah, we don't want friends. Yeah, I don't know how did you get hacked though. Like, did you share stuff like your password and email and stuff like that? Yeah, exactly, Josh. Exactly, exactly. I didn't buy a Tesla because I like nice things. I was paying per month on gas. Okay, okay. So like now you save that money. It doesn't. But that money doesn't come out of somewhere else rent. Like you still like you're still saving that. I mean, obviously not all of it, but there goes CLRO. So okay, I see, right. Okay, 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 I see. I see. Okay. No, that's good. That's good. That's good. Yeah, there goes the breakout. Ooh, that dip was nice, wasn't it? That was a nice dip. Yep. Boom skis, boom skis. Congratulations if you're in this one. Congrats. Congratulations. So 320. What was the next level? 325? 325? Okay. To Yeah, 225. I'm not sure why I'm saying 325. 225. Don't get too excited. 225. So, yeah, it looks like we filled that 224 for now. 224. 224 resistance. La, 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 la. But sure, I know. Yeah, I'm not sure why I said 325, but maybe that's what I wanted to see. But no, for now. What's this one doing? RGLS. Yeah, this one's giving away all the gains, hasn't it? All of it. So 240 would be your next level to hold. If it doesn't, then you're looking for 230. So it's trying. Uh, I was driving the wrong car. Oh yeah, you were. You were. You were driving the wrong car. So yes, that was a good switch. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Anyways, so the S&P recovered all those losses it's had, right? So again, it looks like they're burning premium up, down, up, down, up, down. So we don't even bother to say, oh, the market is selling off. I think it's because they're gonna bring it right back up. Bring it right back up. Let me pull up the other one actually, Justin. IXHL. IXHL. Not that much has it. It needs a bit more volume here. Needs a little bit more volume and then go boom skis. It's like, oh no, no, it's green though, but it hasn't done much. The spread is a bit crazy, a little bit crazy. What's GXAI doing here? I know we keep wanting to watch this thing. Yeah, the spread is also crazy on this thing, isn't it? So at some point, if the volume can kick in, ooh, we missed this thing at 550. Ooh, 550 would have been nice. 550 would have been a lot nicer because 550 is closer to the bottom post split. Post split. So we'll see. Leave it on watch for now. My goodness, you guys are typing some long messages today. I've missed a whole bunch of them. La 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 la. About oil stocks lately, do they mostly follow the same general trend? See, there's oil stocks like Oxy. Those stocks are usually, for the most part, they're nice, right? They sit in the same range. Okay, check that. Right, like you look at Oxy. Oxy is a nice name. Warren Buffett owns a whole bunch of Oxy. Right, it's at resistance. Right, so $62 basically. It's done really well. And then there's oil stocks like INDO. These ones are like the retail trash names, right? Like they've done nothing. Look at that, straight to the abyss. Sheesh. Maybe this is a good buy now, but who the hell knows with this trash, right? No volume. It's a nice float, but it's just done nothing. Oh yeah, like another name like IMPP, right? So yeah, Jeff hasn't mentioned IMPP for a long time. My goodness, Jeff, what happened? IMPP has actually done well. Look at that. Oh wow, IMPP is like a, yeah, I guess, yeah, Imperial. Yeah, they've actually done well. Breakout, retest, and then slow and steady. RUPP, IMPP. It's done well. So why is like INDO struggled like this though? Hmm. These companies are usually Jeff, by who? By your wife? Or what? Wife is like, be quiet. Yeah, for sure. Destroyed. Destroyed. Okay, let me pull up. It looks like RGLS is slowly curling there now, of 245 ish, slowly curling. Two, two, two. Interesting. 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 La, la. You held it for over a year and you lost $15,000. Damn. Yeah, Bitcoin is pushing. Wait, did we just make? No, not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Close. Not yet though. No new all-time highs. No new all-time highs. Huh, interesting. Yeah, that thing is not gonna pop. There's no volume there. Yeah, it looks like we failed at 225 and then came back down just then. So maybe a retest in consolidation, just above $1.90 maybe, and then go from there. But yeah, no, Bitcoin looks good. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. My goodness, my nose is another one of those days. La 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 la. 194. Okay. 194. Oh, Bitcoin is so close to all-time highs again. There it goes. Bitcoin just made new all-time highs. No new all-time highs. New all-time highs. $73,000 to be exact. 73. There you go. Flames. Fireworks. Well, are we gonna get that big fat red candle we always get when we see all-time highs? Are we? Hopefully not. But either way, Bitcoin has done a really good job of just staying in range this entire time. Okay, I need to take a look at this one. Oh yeah, no, I won't jinx it. I'm just saying though, every time we hit those highs, then you see a little bit of redness. But okay, I just need to update BTC all-time highs. La 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 la. Okay. What about the scanner? Zero. Interesting. Yeah, there's that candle. There's the candle, guys. Every time we hit new all-time highs, Bitcoin gives us a fat red candle, but that doesn't do anything damaging. Okay, it just dips and then we go back up. Open interest on. Oh, okay. March 8th. Okay. Need to do a bit more research on that one. Yeah. Anyways, let's go back. Yeah, double top O breakout. Yeah, we need to clear that supply zone. Clear the supply zone. XRP 73 cents, 73. Now you can Now you want Pepe to take off? Yeah, XRP hasn't really done much. Keep your thoughts to yourself. I'm just saying, Tesh. It happens every time, you know. Yeah. Sure hope it don't drop like it did before, Lori. Yeah, it's only dropped 1,000 this time. That's it. Just 1,000. So maybe, you know, as time goes on, it gets better. The drops get, you know, I think the more people see that the dips get bought, the less selling they do. So, or the less they panic. Break even soy boys that are clearing the BTCs after buying at previous highs from yeah, we just yeah, exactly, especially the last. I think the biggest dip we've had so far was that 69 breaks. So I bet you had a whole bunch of people saying, you know what, get me the hell out, right? So get me the hell out. Okay, 6 days ago. La, 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 la. Okay. How come that's the only news we have in this one? Interesting. 2025. Yep, we dropped 1,000. So as usual, again, if you look at a bigger time frame, nothing's really changed, right? It's not like Bitcoin has done something crazy. Same range. Same range. My goodness. It's fighting. I think that has to be the best. Yeah, there it goes. 218. Here we go. Come on, come on. 215. Vance wants to go back to the Lambo dealership, guys. He's looking for another Lambo dealership. So once we break above 225 again, Vance is gonna open the door to another Lambo dealership. You know, 225 break. Okay, there goes 218 again. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Are you on the road already, Joe? There we go. Come on. A lot of wicks. This is not a level for you to be FOMOing, by the way, right? If you're FOMOing at resistance, you're playing with fire, right? This is fine for people that are holding already because if it breaks out, monies. If it dips, well, stop loss, money still. But if you FOMO at resistance and it doesn't break out, congratulations. Congratulations. You're gonna be sweeping the floor to the Lambo dealership. Actually, no. You're gonna be sweeping the floor at Mullen. Um, since 2 a.m. Oh my goodness, Joe. Damn. No, no trading, please. No texting and driving. Focus on the roads. Yeah, exactly, Justin. On a breakout, yeah. There goes 220, 220. 220. Oh, here comes, and it tapped it, and then came back down a little bit. It just seems like a formality. Like it just seems like, yep, there it goes. Just seems like it's just a matter of time before boom skis. There goes 230. It's a really nice run. Vance just walked. He just walked into another Lambo dealership and say, "Hey, see my shares? Don't worry. Soon we're going to be sitting at 200%." They're like, "Get the hell out of here!" But soon enough, they will believe. 224. Choo 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 choo. 224. Is that 80? It is, isn't it? Choo choo choo. And there he goes. Vance is walking back in. He's like, see, I told you. I told you. There he goes, 240. Sheesh. That was a really nice dip. That initial dip there. Well, actually, this dip here, back to the 200 almost. Yeah, that was a really nice dip. 170. Maybe we're going to that 325. Well done, Justin. Well done. Well done, skis. There goes 240. I dance. Boom skis. Well, once we get to 325. I'm kidding, by the way. You're holding. Who all is holding for the dividend? Please don't hold for the dividend unless you really want to, please. Okay, sounds good, Lion. Unless you really want to, please play the technicals and right. Please play the technicals. Please play the technicals. Please and have a stop loss. Secure your monies at some point, please. Because if you're waiting for that damn dividend and they enter you, you're gonna be the dividend. You know. Na 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 na. Violence. Yep. Go back to May last year. See the last time. See the last dividend in 2023. Exactly, Vance. So please be careful with all this dividend hype. You want to play the hype and sell the news. What's SPY doing? Is it crashing? It better be crashing. It's sitting at new all-time highs, isn't it? Nope, it's still pumping. Pumping. Yep, the S&P, the markets just don't dip these days. We're gonna end up at 540 before we dip. Then we're gonna dip to 533, 69, and then pump to 600, and then dip to 599.69, and then pump to 1,000, and then get a fat dip to 669, and then go to 10,000. That's it, and then it's over. That's it. There you go. That's your SPY. That's your SPY analysis for the next 10 years. Okay. Yep. Yeah, I think Bitcoin needs to go for another nice run, or maybe one of these nights into the weekend, Ren. Maybe one of these nights. Because that's the number, Tesh. That's the number. Yep. SPY is a scam. The S&P really is a scam. There's no need to have runs like this, honestly. I mean, look at the performance. Year to date, I mean, like just look at these numbers. Actually, when you look at these numbers, they're not that bad. But yep. Like we've gained an extra year in gains. Is what the market has done over the last 6 months, right? Like that usual 10% a year, 11% a year, 12% a year. We've added another one on top of that. So we've yep, actually for 2 more years actually. Yep. Mr. 1% numbers. Yeah. So that's just ridiculous. But whatever. Whatever. So the reason I say 1 year is because we lost some of it when COVID happened. Right? We lost a year when COVID happened. Then we recovered that and then added an extra year on top of that. So 30% over that, 34% over the last year, right? So we've gained another year on top of the losses, COVID losses. Yeah, I'm really so I claim to know nothing. For the most part, I don't think yeah. We all kind of guess, educated guesses, and then the market says yeah, right, yeah, right. There we go. We're back to 240. What a beauty! What a beauty! What an absolute beauty! There goes new highs of the well, not quite yet. I'm getting ahead of myself. Just break 250. 250. Vance is he's in the dealership. They're negotiating. Once we break about 250, the deal will be getting signed. Wow. If it doesn't go above 250, they're gonna put Vance in jail. So let's hope that it goes above 250. It was stolen from us. Yeah, that's true, Troy. Yep. Yes, Vance. La, 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 la. They're pointing at the dotted line. Yes. They're like, wait, let me read the fine print. The fine print. Okay. Let me take a look at this here. Uh, yep. Monday morning and dropped to 15 this morning. Wait. That's how low it is now? CLSK is that low? CLSK. Oh my goodness. What the hell happened here, Josh? Just what's Mara at? Mara's below 20. Sheesh. These guys really found a way to screw with retail. Manipulation at its finest. Wow. It's impressive. I bet you Ride is at 0. I feel like Ride ruined it for everybody. These guys ruined it. Yeah. Yep, Vance. Yep. Maybe that's what people are looking at now. Everybody's focused on like the halving now. Maybe that's the main focus. Yeah. What's fun at? Fun. Yeah, still kind of playing with what does the daily look like here though? If that thing would ever load. The only thing I don't like about this is that it made a new load today, Justin. But yeah, it's been holding. Maybe one of these days, it's gonna go for a bit of a run. One of these days, they're gonna need to drop a catalyst. Yup. One of these days. Yep. Yeah, no, it's staying above the 9, which is really good. Now we just need to break above 250. If you're holding CLRO, type in yes in the chat. Type in yes in the chat. If you're holding a CLRO, just make sure you're aware of that 250 level there. Yes. Oh, yeah. Vance is he's very close to signing the papers. Very close. So come on, give us a breakout. No. Yep. SGLY. Okay. La. You've been waiting to pull the trigger? I mean, you've been waiting to pull the trigger on Bitcoin? What have you been waiting for, VX? On what? On the S&P? On the S&P, it looks like it, doesn't it, Aaron? On the S&P, it looks like distribution, doesn't it? Let me pull up that little distribution chart. We have like a little cheat sheet there, right? Like this one here, right? Like you have all these runs, but then we're not breaking out, right? If I pull up the S&P, maybe on a bigger time frame, speaking of distribution, the S&P is like, excuse me, who do you think is distributing? It almost looks like a weird head and shoulder, but it's not crazy. Almost back to 415 there, 515. Yeah, maybe. The more the first I get, what have you been waiting for, VX? VX. Aren't you in Discord and haven't you seen Josh's messages in Discord? Yeah. Haven't you seen the messages in Discord? Okay, let's take a look. Just need to look at these SEC filings too, I think. The 11th. Interesting. Market cap, institutional ownership. Uh, okay, just looking, at Z watch list. Z watch list. Okay, let me go back. Go back to yeah, it looks like we failed at 250 for now, right? 250 resistance, 245, but really I'm just gonna call it 250. Yeah, OB, yeah, straight trash. So a lot of resistance. Again, when you see stuff failing like that, you do not buy at resistance, right? You buy educational breakouts, you don't buy resistance, right? You buy the break, you don't buy the resistance because it can go either way. You're basically waiting to see which way it goes before you make your decision. Otherwise, you end up crying, and then we don't want you crying, okay? Yeah. So let's see where we can find a base for now. So maybe we can stay above $2. $2. Stay above the $2, please. The S&P is just pumping it. My goodness. Yeah, that thing went crazy last night, Vance. I was watching it for oh wow. Yep. It's a nice little breakout. Nice little breakout. Spread on that is crazy. Nice little breakout. And then boom skis. This one went crazy last night. Out of nowhere, just exploded. This thing rallied in pre-market too. It's $8. Damn. Sheesh. Okay. No, Sound doesn't have news, but Sound has been doing some crazy things since last night, hasn't it? I don't know, like it's really interesting the way that it's moving. Yeah, I went to support this morning at 590 and then it's been bouncing. So I don't see any news for this thing unless it's just following NVDA, but yeah, it doesn't look bad. Does not look bad at all. Holo, you actually made money using Robinhood Biker. Okay. Yeah, Holo looks good. Highs of the day. About time it rebounded. Anyways, back to CLRO. Stay above 2, please. Yeah, sound makes sense. Yeah. So just an AI rally then is what that is. An AI rally. Okay. See what that looks like though. Interesting. Um, Off to the shop. Okay, sounds good, Crystal. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Good job today. See you later. Yeah, there's a bunch of people who are holding till dividend. Yeah, for sure. You know there are going to be people holding this for the dividend. Just like Mets, right? Like Mets was a Mets holder for a damn long time. What's Mets at now though? Yeah, Mets is still at $32. What's the X date for Mets? I don't think there was. Soaring says a special dividend. March 22nd. Okay. Payable March 22nd. Record March 18th. So March 18th, this thing is going to be getting entered. As soon as that X date goes by, it's finished. Too bad they don't have options though. Too bad they do not have options. Let's see. It's open. Okay. Anyways, Holo, what happened? Oh yeah, Holo's on fire. Oh my goodness. Yup. Holo's like, you know what? A crazy market, Dan. Yeah. Seriously, it really is. Like, I don't get how they're doing that, but they're doing it. They're doing it, Dan. Yep, 611. Crazy, isn't it? Crazy. Is it halted now? It's halted, isn't it? Yep, it's halted. Unless my stuff is glitching, it's halted. Yep, there it goes. $6. Holo halted up, and then the other one that's also moving is the one that Vance mentioned earlier. SGLY. SGLY. Yup. 72%. So the money's is leaving some of these other stocks we were talking about to go to other ones. There you go. Is it? Yeah, no, it's halted at 611. Yeah. La 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 la. Probably. Should you be FOMOing in that thing though, Lion? I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, all you have to do is look at your broker and see what it says with the bid and the ask. Um, that's how you. That's what you should do. Yeah, just look at your broker for the bid and the ask, and then go from there. Uh, Interesting. NVIDIA started again. Yup. Yup. Missed it again, which means you should forget about it. Or risk. Yeah, it's at the highs. It's halted up now too. SGLY, both of these crazy stocks, from 376 to 567. So halted. Yeah, I did. Yeah. So for now, as long as CLRO stays above $2, I think we have hope of getting back to the highs. As long as we stay above $2. Yeah. As long as we stay above $2, there's a chance. Yeah, RGLS just went to the abyss. This one just had no hope. Yeah, that's why again we don't like things that go below the 200 because once it does, there's a good chance it's going to the abyss. Even though there's a demand zone there, but meh. This one's done absolutely nothing. Nothing happening there. And then the other two names halted for now. Halted for now. That's 6 minutes. Okay. Okay. La 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 la. Come on, give us the on halt. You're out of it, Freebo. Yeah, just don't go red. There goes the on halt. There it goes. So immediately on halted and then pushed to 650. Right. So a line, yeah, just that momentum push initially. Will it stay up there though? That's the question. Will it stay up there? That's the question. Yeah, 625 and then push to 650. So we need to stay above 611 though, right? So that's the number you're usually looking for as a hold. If not, then you have a problem. Okay, there goes again. That candle came back to 611, but it never went below. So 611, right? So, and we've said this a few times, like when you buy something that's halted, your goal is to make sure that it doesn't go below the halt price. Because if it goes below the halt price, you have a problem. You have a big, oh, there goes 680 or 668. So it looks like they just came back for the retest and then popped. That's why when we do these stop losses, we're going like 1 penny below the halt price because once it goes below, there's a good chance that it could get halted like down. Don't think you want that, right? So nice copy, Justin. Monies. So if at any point this thing goes below 611, then you have a problem. At any point, holo. That's a nice pop though. SGLY is still halted up, so waiting for that thing to oh there it goes 680. So there you go 690. There goes $6. That thing said Get me to the Lambo dealership, please. Gonskis. So that's a nice pop. It's a nice pop. And Holo dropped, right? So Holo dropped like a sack of potatoes. And SGLY said, nope, not me. Not me. Not me. 620. Oh my goodness. Yeah, Ren, you should have FOMO'd. You should have FOMO'd, Ren. Holo said Dipskis and Pop. 28. Well done, Justin. Well done. Monies. Monies. Good exit, too. Good exit. Let's see if that thing can actually close above 630. Look at that run. Sell off into the open and then just sat there for a bit. Again, this is why, we just go through these names in, like, especially at the open, and we just kind of want them to consolidate first, right? There's no need. Like, if you're FOMO into stuff at the open, like nothing, like this wasn't an open play, right? It was a name last night, but it wasn't at the open that it decided to take off, though, right? It consolidated and then it broke out, and then it came back for the retest of the breakout, and then it said bye. Right. Same thing with Holo. Like Holo wasn't an immediate open play. Everything pump, everything dips at the open. Right. Look at that. Market opens. Holo's like, hey, I'm selling off, and then it sits there, and then it breaks out. Right. So consolidation, breakout, and then gone. So um, don't feel the need to like be in stuff immediately when the market opens. If you feel that, like if you feel that in your veins, and then you need to go to to counseling, to the HUSA counseling. HUSA. Let's go, Dan. If you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot. Come join us in Discord. Alrighty? Smash a like if you haven't already, please and thank you. Please and thank you. Smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new, and yeah, come join us in Discord if you want. If you want. Choo choo. Nah. Madagascar? No, that's a Bad Boys. Husa. It's Bad Boys. CL are always retesting $2 here, so let's see if we can stay above it. I feel like the money just rotated to something else. But if these other two names dip, and then the money's gonna come back to this one. But yeah, again, supply zone. Whenever you see the red zones, be very careful. Be very, very careful. Right? Be very, very careful, please. After I joined, let's go, Dan. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Bad boys, bad boys. Nah. When trading? Yeah. Nah. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Especially if you buy at the top, so be very careful. Be very careful. Please and thank you. Playing options. La 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 la. No. Okay, let me pull up. Uh, is that the daily? Hmm, 60 cents. It's quite the rebound. Holo, yeah, Holo is sending it. Holo is absolutely sending it. 30% run, very nice. Uh, Chef, what's your position in AER? What is that? It's something. Seems like one of those alerts you said like a whole year ago. SYNX. What the hell is that? Also, the volume is kind of weak. Must have been a reason for that though. Maybe just oh yeah, I see. It was an IPO at some point that I think we just set an alert for the break above the IPO price. That is interesting because now it's sitting at all-time highs technically. Hmm. So that thing IPO'd at $4 came all the way down to 280, and now it's back to $4. Might be something to just keep an eye on. SPY is going for 516. Isn't that crazy? See 516? Just go. Like just go to 520. Coinbase on the base network. Okay. Okay, sounds good. I'll take a look. What's your position? What's your entry price? MDAI has done an okay job, I guess, holding above $1.90. AERO. Did you sell GST, Josh? 27 cents. Okay, 27. Oof, my goodness, congratulations. Well done. I mean, there's really nothing negative I can say about this thing, honestly, Chef, right? There's nothing negative I can say here. It's done a really good job. Wow. Yep, there's really nothing I can say. Also, you're kind of sitting at all-time highs, just below 85 cents, right? So in terms of technicals, I mean, we can do FIPS, but whatever. There's really nothing else on this chart we can look at. So it looks really good. Um, so then you have to now rely on your fundamental research, um, and set stop losses. Don't let this thing obviously go back to 27 cents, please. Don't let this thing go back to 27 cents. So have a minimum take profit level. It looks really good though. How do I feel about the Reddit IPO? I feel like it's going to be very hyped. And I hope it doesn't open at a ridiculous price because it's going to gap up huge and then it's going to go to the abyss. And then it's going to suck. So that looks very nice. 411. Holo came back down. I'm kidding, Justin. I'm kidding. I'm just saying, it's one thing to do FIPS like on a chart that has data. It's another thing to do it on a chart that's brand new. Yeah, so for now, you just want to find ways to protect your monies. The Reddit IPOs is the pricing. They're pricing the IPO in March, so there's not a date yet. So the IPO has not been priced yet. Not priced yet. No, 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 no. La, 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 la. 74. La, 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 la. Yesterday. 28. I just want to see. I'm just looking at okay. Cash burn. It's almost like Spy wants to be a meme. Seriously, seriously. Oh well. There's really nothing you can do at this point, you know. Nothing at all. SPY. 34 to 30. Yeah, 31 to 34. Yeah, a share. Yeah. Yup. So all time highs for the S&P is 518. So we'll see. 518. 518.22. The real price is coming soon. Yeah. I mean, damn. Crazy. Where the hell are we going? Where the hell are we going? I don't know. Let's do. Eats. Real price coming soon. So, are you buying some spy puts, Joe? Spy puts? Going to rewind. Sorry. Oh, you're in Discord listening. Oh, okay, I see. Discord. Discord. Hello with the bounce. With the bounce. Uh, there we go. How dare you? I'm just asking, you know, just asking. Not that you should. Don't be tempted. Do you recommend a good broker after Robinhood? I think most people like Webull, Biker. Most people would recommend Webull in the chat, right? So I think it's Webull, and then like interactive brokers, maybe. So yeah, but most of you guys in the states seem to like Webull. Also, you get the like all hours of trading, which is really important. So whenever you feel the vibes, you can always play the vibes. You know. Yeah, Mumu is another really early one. I just say Weibo because Mumu and Weibo are like same hours ish. As a troublemaker, I posted a link in Stock General. There you go. La, 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 la. The nerve. Yes. Keep your eyes on the road, Joe. Eyes on the road. Weibo works on TradingView too. Yep. There you go. Has anybody tested that out? SGLY is halted down. So Ren, good thing you didn't FOMO. Otherwise, you'd be crying. You'd be crying. Um, crying. Uh, to really run today? Okay. What are we thrusting to though, Droopy? There's nothing to thrust to. There's nothing to thrust to. Nothing yet. We can't be thrusting to the S&P. That's not acceptable. As much okay. Can you look at spec, please? You're in a 134. It keeps dipping. Okay. Like you bought the dipski and it just keeps dipping. Sure. I don't think I don't know if that's the 134. You're not too far off from your entry though, which is good. Honestly, all-time lows for this stock is 111. So you decide. You either set a stop loss right below 111 or you go slightly below a dollar and then hope that it pops at some point. Yeah, that thing's been dipping for a long time. So hopefully, it's about time it popped. And any little pop should get you back in the money because you're very close. But you have to decide now, though. Like you set a stop loss again, all-time lows, 52-week lows, $1.11. So then you just go below that level, or do you go below like a dollar, like 99 cents, right? So let's go, Sky. Nvidia, monies. Nvidia is another crazy one. Nvidia basically runs the market now, doesn't it? Nvidia runs the market. Can you believe that? Runs the markets, which is crazy, crazy, crazy. Hmm. I am the captain now. Seriously, then Nvidia goes up, and then the market says, "Oh, okay, let's go up." Nvidia goes down, the market goes down. Crazy. You buy more, be very careful, please. If you buy more, you have to have a stop loss. Right, the only time that I would advise to average down on a losing position, there's that expression that don't send good money after bad money, right? So the only time I would go against that is when a stock is sitting at the bottom and you can tell that it's at the bottom and then you buy, but then you have to set a stop loss right below that bottom, because if it breaks below, it's almost like your last ditch effort. You're like, you know what, this is it. This is it, right? This is my last prayer, but you have a stop loss right below. So, yep, crazy Nvidia. Are you holding calls, Sky? I bet you're holding calls. Criminal, straight to jail, straight to jail. 67. Holding calls, okay. They're printing. Net 7. La, 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 Let's go. BGXX Bright Green announces plans for 250 million expansion. Blah blah blah. BGXX. You got a lot of calls still? Okay. But that's good though, because you're printing monies now. Wait, when did that thing pop up 35%, like 60% just now? Oh yeah, just now it popped. 66% BGXX. They just had that news, so which is good. But now we're sitting in a supply zone there. Penny stock. Yeah, 580, 580. Yeah, Barat. Holo's trying to hold 580. BG. Oh my goodness, Ren, look at that. That thing went to the abyss. Be careful with the red zones. Red zones, scary business. Maybe a retest of the 200 there, and then bounce. You would hope so. My goodness. My goodness, straight to the abyss. 72% for BGXX. 72%, 76%, 77%, 78%. That's a nice little run. That thing is walking through the blood like there's nothing there. Yep. There goes 81% for BGXX. 82, 83, 85, 86, 88, 90%. That thing said, excuse me, I'm the captain now. So again, if you missed the news is in Discord, right? So again, they announced that they're doing a $250 million expansion of its controlled substances. I don't know. Anyways, this stuff usually means nothing to us, like face value. And they also got 60 million in financing, right? Like it's just a headline, right? 40 cents. Nice little run for sure, though. So if you FOMOed, congratulations. If you FOMOed, congrats. You're in at 220. What's your stop loss, Daniel? What's your stop loss? So for now, I mean, you can see that it looks like it's been, we talked about that $2 level, right? So it looks like it's been leveling off and playing with $1.96 to $2. So I'm just hoping we can stay above. Also, that was the last dip we had. We kind of bounced off that level, right? So for now, I'm hoping we stay above $1.96 to $2, and then go back to 220 at least. Alrighty, so let's stay above this demand zone, and you should be okay. To 71, yeah, every time Bitcoin, every time we have a catalyst. Well, we break above those highs, drops. So 40 cents, 41 actually for BGXX, and then back down a bit. Dipski curl, maybe a dip and the curl. Okay, let me. I see. Okay. Okay. True, true. Below 2. Yeah, it's always crazy though. Like when oh, just interesting how. Like I'll go back to Holo in a second because Holo looks really good. Holo bounced off the demand zone. Holo said, "I don't have time to sit in the demand zone." Back to the highs almost. But yeah, no, that's the same thing I was gonna say for CLRO though. It's always crazy how a stock does this and then sits and then sells off and just sits there. Okay, I like that it's consolidating at that demand zone though. So hopefully it stays above it and then eventually goes higher. Bitcoin, what are we at now? 71. Yep, yep. Every time we hit a new high, there's a dipski for BTC. Almost like they're getting people excited and then selling some shares. And then selling some shares. You know? 668 for an entry. You're looking for a breakout for 85 highs of the day. Okay. You like the short squeeze double, don't you? You like the short squeeze stuff. You also like buying at the tops. Like, not the tops, but like just breakouts, highs. Rumble is moving. Yeah, maybe there are some maybe there's some truth to that speculation of them having a deal with TikTok. Then maybe it's a good time to have crypto. Yeah. Yeah, I'll take a look at Rumble. Rumble. It looks like RGLS bounced off $2 as well. Not bad. RG. Not bad. Rumble. Get ready to rumble. That's a nice little run, actually. Rumble might end up being. Rumble might end up benefiting from all of this stuff more than we think. Especially if DWAC is no more and TikTok gets banned. Maybe they do something. Yeah. Anyways, it's interesting. It's been holding the 200 for the last few days though on the daily time frame, which is good. 200 daily. Anyways, you know what I mean. But yeah, 660. So that's a really nice pop. 660. Nice. Interesting. Mhm. La, la, la. NVIDIA. ZCMD. What's your favorite crypto, Maddie? Bitcoin? I bet you it's Bitcoin. Wow, this thing really gave away those gains. Doubled up at 640 all the way down to 460. They reversed the numbers. As below $2, yeah, that's not cool. If this thing closed below the 200 now, I think we have a problem then, right? It's one thing to dip, but then retest the 200, the white line, and bounce. If we close this candle below the 200, I think we have a bigger problem. People are just taking profits and running away from the dividend. BGXX looks nice still. Anybody FOMO into this one? Yeah, you're done with it, Justin. Yeah, if we close that candle below the 200, I think a lot of people are going to be done. A lot of people are going to be done with it if it does. Anybody playing with BGXX? 42 seems to be the new high there. 42. Hasn't really closed the candle above though, which is a bit of an interesting spot. Yes. Yesterday. There goes 42. 42, 100%. It's a nice little run. A nice run. Yeah, it looks like RGLS is also doing well. The bounces. BG. Oh, that thing is sending it now. Oof. That thing is sending it. You're in at 34 cents. Congratulations. My goodness. That thing said, hey, look at me. Look at me. I'm about to get halted. It's not going to get halted, but. Oh, wow. 124% now. BGXX. Why are there so many rumors of Rumble merging with TikTok? Do you guys have any links to that? Let me know if you do, Forrest. The stock is obviously responding to it. Like the stock is pumping, right? It's up like 13% today, even though it's dipping now. Like it's had a really nice run there. Interesting. You're in at 37. Okay, don't go red. Don't go red. That news is the type of stuff that you make your monies and you run, please. I know, but like again, there's no immediate benefit for now, right? So eventually, maybe, but don't go red because you're holding it and you think it's really good news. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Yep. Yeah, the news was posted in Discord as soon as it came out. So another benefit of being in Discord, because stuff like this will happen, and if you're not a member, you're gonna miss it, right? You're gonna miss it. You're gonna miss it. So again, if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot. Come join us in Discord. No, 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 no. Alrighty. Oh, I see now. The news is in Discord. So Rumble offers to join consortium to buy TikTok in event of Oh, okay. I see. Rumble CEO Chris is a letter on X. Said that the event of in ownership in TikTok, Rumble is ready to join with other parties seeking to acquire. Okay, cool. Ready to serve as a cloud technology partner. He added that the Rumble's offer is subject to the negotiation of. Okay, cool. Yeah, there is news. There's actual news of Rumble wanting to buy TikTok. Part of it, an offer. So interesting. No wonder the stock is like, hey, that would be cool for Rumble. That'd be cool. That'd be super cool. That would be very cool. Huh. Thank you, Mo. Thank you. So that news was in Discord the whole time, by the way. So take a look at the breaking news channel. It's in Discord. I'll repost it. 6265. That's a really nice bounce. That's a really nice bounce. Uh, Justin, really nice bounce. And then also there too, so it doesn't get lost in the list. Yeah, that's a really good bounce for RGLS. RG. As soon as we took it off, it's like, hey, bouncy, bouncy, bouncies. No, $3. That's a really nice pop, straight to the previous resistance. My goodness. No, it's in the it was in the breaking news, not the breaking news channel, the stock Twitter news channel. There's usually a lot of stuff in there to read. So I don't always, especially when the stream is on. I don't always go back to read stuff. Ooh wee, ooh wee, Justin. 50 cents. Yep, your main problem. Yep, 50 cents for sure. 50 cents. It's done really well though, right? Like these candles, you're constantly getting higher lows on these candles. So maybe at some point, if you get a like the opposite. Oh, that thing said 50, 50, no match, right? So BGXX is just on fire. Oh my goodness, there goes 51 cents. There goes 51 cents. BGXX, 145%, 147%. Um, Very nice. I think we caught this thing at like 30, what is it, 33 cents maybe? 33 cents when the news came out. So the news was in Discord quite a bit earlier. So that was a pretty nice run. So congratulations if you're in it. Yeah, RGLS is halted at 399. 399. Oh wow. 54 cents, guys. 157%. He's like, hey, I'm the captain now. I'm the captain. What happened, Pablo? What happened? What happened? You're about to roast me about Palmer. I told you. I told you the whole time. That was my only. Your entire team. Your entire team. My only concern was one player, and I told you before time. That was my only concern. Everybody else weak. Palmer is my only concern in the entire league, entire fantasy league. Only concern because that boy is nice. He just glides, just glides. Oh, Dan, don't encourage him. Don't encourage Pablo, please. Canada broken is trending. I mean, it should be trending. Honestly, Canada is broken. Yeah, I mean, I feel like it's just a matter of time. Honestly, these dudes are idiots. Let me search it up. Canada, is it on there? Is broken. There it is. Hashtag Canada is broken. What are they tweeting? Oh damn, these guys are angry. They're very angry. uh, they're angry. Uh, Everybody's angry. That's just an ad. Voting for wow. I mean, anyways. Yep. Decide what's better. Is Canada broken? 90%, 90% of the votes say yes. That's a lot of votes. And people's 90% yes. Oh my goodness. Sheesh. Wow. Response to COVID, were denied a transplant and then refused to take a medical product. Shows how, yep, 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 yep. What? Yep, yep, yep. Just like the US does. Yep, yep, yep. Honestly, like it's just different people, same rubbish, honestly. Different people, same rubbish. You know what's crazy to me though is what's really sad? What's really, really sad is people go into politics saying, oh, I want to make a difference. I want to make a difference. I want to help people. You know, I'm speaking for the people. And then the people will come back and say, like, you know what, this is not working. Instead of you like saying, you know what, okay, fine, this isn't working, you're like, oh no, 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 everything is fine. Everything is we're doing an amazing job. Biden does the same stupid stuff. So does the other idiot, right? They all do it. RGLS is they all do the same rubbish, you know. Like they're like, oh no, everything is fine. The economy is very strong. Blah 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 blah. It's like okay, sure, but like that's not the issue, is it? It's not. Nice pop though, RGLS. Congratulations to be in there. Yeah, nobody changes anything. They all just go in there and then they make monies and then they'll lie. That's all they do. Rumble's back to the highs of today. BG needs to get back about 50 cents. Yeah, that's a really nice run, by the way, Justin. She gone. Anyways, na 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 na. That was very nice. Na 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 na. I am hello hello. Like the and yup 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 yup. What can you do though? Absolutely. Well, you can try and do stuff. But na 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 na. 310. Okay, not yet. That thing just felt like a tomato. Felt like a tomato. What's the bid and ask them? Okay. Your spy calls are on fire? Oh yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Yup. What's the S&P at now? SPY. Are we at 518 yet? Oh my days, spy. Still at the highs. Crazy. Yep. Spy calls prints these days. Print. Official this morning shutting off our camera in the middle of 77. Really? I didn't see that. Really? Yeah. Anyways, why do you get the oldest people to go sit there? You know. Also, like, why do these people like go sit there? Yeah, that's okay. Why do you go sit there? Like, seriously. Like, if you're over 70 or like 80 or like Biden's age, 120, you know, why do you go sit there? Just like there's more things to life, you know. Go enjoy. Go walk in the sun. Anyways, whatever. Silliness. It looks like we bounce off the 9 for now. Off the 9. Maybe it's a good thing that we're almost done for the day since it's getting more political. But anyways. uh, full of conventional. When was the last time you walked in the sun? Yesterday when I was going to the gym. I got out of the car and then I walked inside. And then the day before that, I actually went for a walk the day before that because the weather was nice. And yeah, and it felt good. There goes 3:30 again, Justin. Yeah. Yep, 336. Pop, pop, pop. Doo-doo-doo. 345, 350, 360. Oh my goodness, that thing. It just had to go to the abyss first. What an idiot. 370. Oh wow. That was a really nice run. Yep. Bondi, exactly. 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 Like all the politics aside, it's that's the right thing to do. Not be there. He goes 370. Something telling me to not FOMO. Yeah. Yeah, your FOMO for sure would have been like the breakout instead. So then you could scalp it really quickly. Z breakout. Yeah. Sky. Yeah, the sky. Yep. Yep, yep, yep. Canada is broken. But then again, like most countries are broken though. La 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 la. Every country has their issues. Everybody complains. It's like it's an everybody issue. As often as because I know the. Oh wow! Damn! Look at that, right? I wish humans would be nice enough to not spend a trillion, however much money they spend on like going to fight other countries and like you know. I bet. Yeah. Anyways, sheesh. Everybody's complaining about the same issues. Like it doesn't matter where you live. Like it's the same. It's like homelessness, inflation, housing, uh, cost of groceries. What is that? Not included. uh, not included. Affordable homes do not exist. Affordable homes do not exist. Do, do, do. Oh Lord, look at these idiots. It's a bit of the part of la, 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 la. And then you look at them, they're always smiling. They're always smiling. They're giving you a nice speech. Everybody's smiling. It's like really, what are you guys? What are you guys doing? Yeah, it looks like Venice. Yeah, like what are you guys doing? How come you guys are also very happy, so happy, smiling, and then the entire country is in shambles. But anyways, hopefully you took some profits on BGXX because that thing came back down. So 55 cents, 54 back to 42. So uh, yep, sham. That's what it is, isn't it, Mo? Yep. Canada is the least broken country. No, I don't know. I don't know. But yeah, everybody has issues. Yep. Very sad. It is what it is, though. You just have to sometimes just be grateful for what you do have, you know? Like, because at least we have housing, you know? You start to go to some other countries and people live on the streets. And then at least those people live on the streets. And then you go to other countries, they'll live in between like like bombs constantly going off. You know, crazy, crazy, crazy. So always chaos. You just have to hope things improve, but then be grateful for like what you do have. You know, because it's always worse somewhere. Always, always, always. They live in mud houses. Oh yeah, it's always worse somewhere else. Always. Some people don't have that option to like you know buy food or like pay for like an overpriced home. So yup. People on the have a yeah people on the streets. Yup. Yup. And a lot of the issues too. I think in like especially in Canada, I think it's like just in like investment houses. Like you have these idiots from other countries like just buy up all the houses and then anyways. Is CLRO curling? Yes, it has a nice double bottom at $1.85 VX. This is no longer a curl though. This is no longer a curl. Like a curl is up the bottom, right? 185-ish would have been your curl. If you look at like 190, like just below $2, you're gonna see that it failed there last time and it's failing already at $2. So that's no longer a curl. Yep. Still all the houses humble. Yep. 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 No, when you can see the issues, but there's nothing you can do about it. Is rented by some dude who's in Toronto. Yep. 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 I bet you there's some dude in Asia that owns like a whole neighborhood. Never. Well, maybe step foot in the country, but yep. 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 Spy put time. I don't know. James, I don't know. It's a gamble. As long as you don't let it go above 518, I guess. Things are regarding houses. I think they're trying to fix that humble, like the Airbnb stuff. But, yup. Uh, yup. HPCO popping. HPCO. Let me take a look. By Chinese owner, I never came to Canada. Yeah, Chinese plaza. Yeah, plazas in Toronto. Yeah. Yep. HPCO. Pop and drop. What's Holo doing? Holo still playing games? Yeah. At least it's holding 580 for now, though. 580. Yeah, no, the S&P is sure. I mean, if you buy puts on the S&P, just make sure that it doesn't go above like the highs of the day, maybe, and then you might have a chance. I doubt that's gonna happen though. Like it's gonna stay below the highs of the day. But yeah, if you do that, because if we break above 516.50, then you're looking for 518, and if it breaks above that, Your puts are gonna be a zero. A million dollar mansions and that pay than regular people. And that's because there's ways to scam, I guess. Ways to Yeah, I don't think like people paying less taxes like it's I don't think that's the problem honestly. But uh, for the large amount of immigration red tape and stupid cost to build that new yeah. Well, if you're gonna let every if you're gonna do like immigration and maybe anyways moving on. Anyways uh uh stop at uh annoying. Session was fun. Are you streaming the GME earnings? Might be volatility. No, GME is usually not as much fun. Nothing is as fun as AMC earnings. Nothing. Yeah, GME can be volatile. We're gonna be in Discord, so we can always watch it in Discord. Bondi, are you in are you Canadian? I didn't think you were Canadian. Didn't think so. Okay. 40. Okay. And then the scanner we have this name. Oh, you are? Okay. Ontario. Very cool. Yep. How much more time do we have? Oh, wow. Yep. Okay. So 5 more minutes, guys. 5 more minutes, and then we're going to hop off. 5 more minutes, and then, yeah, we're going to hop off and go back to Discord. Alrighty. So let me know if you have any last questions, please, and thank you. I'm just looking around here. Let me know if you have any last questions, and then we will hop off and go back to Discord. Rumble has done well, just staying closer to the top. Obviously, with news like that, CL popped. Yeah, it finally broke. Finally broke. So your next resistance is 210 for CLRO. CL. Yep, to the abyss. That thing was a disaster. Should I go all in on Mullen? No, Troy, please. Pretty please. Don't do that. There goes 210. Mullen's still around. Oh, yeah, Mullen did a split. Mullen did a split, so they're still around. See what happens? Okay, yeah, just don't go red then. Mullen. Mullen is at $6 now. Yup. All-time lows for Mullen is $6.20. But really, what that means is like 4 pennies. Like 4 pennies, you know. It's because they've done that crazy split. That's why the price is like that. But it's not too far from all-time lows, which is good. Which is good. You keep it. Smells like a multi-day runner. I'm on. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. As long as it's performing. So just don't hold it if you see that it's struggling. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. Yeah, we tend to not look too far into the future with these names because a lot of them are pump and dumps. Um, lots of them are pump and dump, so we tend to stay away. Mon, come join us in Discord. Slacker, come join us in Discord. So, yeah, alrighty. So again, don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. I would appreciate that. I would appreciate that. Smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new, and if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom there, and come join us in Discord. And let me see if there's anything new here. Anything new? It looks like it's failing at the supply zone there for now. Choo, 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 hmm. Choo, 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 choo. Mm. Hmm. Interesting. No, 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 no. La, 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 la. Nothing on the list there. Cool. Power hour? Maybe, Justin. Yeah, if stuff is happening, like if stuff is happening, yeah, maybe if something runs, yeah, if something runs for sure. Some huge short positions. Yeah. Tend to you have a lot of calls already, Sky. Why do you keep adding more? If you have a lot, why do you want more? Nvidia dips a little bit. This is what everybody is doing though, because I'm greedy. you know, Nvidia. This is what everybody's doing. No wonder the damn thing keeps pumping. Nvidia dips a little bit. Everybody's like, "Oh my god, that's a dip! Woo! Buy more, buy more, buy more!" And then it goes to new highs. Look at all these dips. I mean, this was the biggest dip of the day, but damn. I mean, based on Nvidia's track record, every time you buy the dip skis, it rewards you. So, but yeah, if you're printing monies already, just be impressive, very impressive. Yep. Hopefully, it keeps going. Well, I say hopefully, even though I want the market to crash. Unbelievable. Anyways, see you guys in Discord. I'm gonna be in Stock General, so Ren, see you in Discord. Sky, Justin, see you in Discord. Tesh, see you in Discord. Ready? James, Slacker, see you in Discord. 15. Oh, we have a. Oh yeah, we have a one-on-one. Okay. Okay. Annette, see you Discord. Bye bye bye. Have a wonderful day too, Dan. Thank you, Dan. Thank you. Bye. MC in Discord. Daniel, see you in Discord. Bye. Maybe your wish is coming true. Yay. Yeah, and SPY is only going down, Ren, because Nvidia is going down. Nvidia runs the streets. Nvidia runs the entire market. So Troy, see you in Discord. Bernie, see you in Discord. DP, see you in Discord. Bye. Alrighty, y'all. Much love. Be safe. Bye, guys. Bye, OB. Sky. Bye. Humble. Bye. T. Bye. Bye, J. Okay. Thank you, Didi. Bye. Bye, bye, bye.